How do I fix the SSL connection issue?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about SSL connection issues and how you can fix them. You've probably experienced this. You're trying to visit a website, and instead of the content you're expecting, you're met with a message that there's a problem with the site's SSL certificate. Frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry, we've got you covered.
What is an SSL connection issue?
First, let's understand what we're dealing with. An SSL connection issue is usually a problem with a website's SSL certificate. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol that provides a secure, encrypted connection between your browser and the website you're visiting. This prevents third parties from spying on the information being exchanged. So, when there's an issue with this connection, it could mean that your data isn't being protected.
Why am I seeing this issue?
There are a few reasons why you might be seeing an SSL connection issue. The website's SSL certificate might have expired, it might have been issued by an untrusted source, or the connection might not be set up correctly. Sometimes, the problem might even be on your end, like your browser settings, your internet security software, or your computer's date and time settings.
How do I fix this issue?
Now, let's move on to the main event, fixing the SSL connection issue. Remember, if the issue is on the website's end, there might not be much you can do. But there are a few steps you can take to try and resolve the issue on your end. Step 1. Check your computer's date and time. If these are incorrect, it could be causing the SSL connection issue. Make sure they're set correctly, and then try visiting the website again. Step 2. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, these can interfere with your SSL connection. Once you've cleared them, try visiting the website again. Step 3. Disable your internet security software temporarily. This software can sometimes block SSL connections. Remember to turn it back on as soon as you've checked the website. Step 4. Try visiting the website in a different browser. This can help you figure out whether the issue is with your browser or the website. Step 5. If none of these steps work, it's likely that the issue is on the website's end. You can try contacting the website's owner or administrator to let them know about the issue. So there you have it. Hopefully, these steps will help you resolve any SSL connection issues you're experiencing. Remember, a secure SSL connection is essential for protecting your data, so it's always worth the effort to fix these issues. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.